Hi AD, welcome to Paradox. Art Deco is not just a style for me. Growing up in 90s Bombay, it was everywhere. In the building I lived in the cinemas, even in the furniture. It became my vocabulary before I knew it. I used to live on the 4th floor of an Art Deco building, and we used those elevators with metal grill doors. The sound of that door is still etched into my memory, and I was very sure that that's the entrance of the bar. As you enter the space, you encounter a small, charming, cinematic ticket window, which doubles up as a hostess's desk and a mini wine cellar. Levitating in mid-space is the cast brass dokra lamp, welded together with cubes of dokra made in a craft village in Orissa, which disappears in the midnight sky, creating an illusion of weightlessness and ethereal presence. The first book with the clients, their brief to me was to create a luxe cocktail bar here in the city of Mumbai. And that's when I came up with the idea of creating a museum of memories right here in the ante room, holding something from their past, present, and maybe the future. The Matka Mirror is a piece I created for India Art Fair this year. Made from a copper matka, a vessel traditionally used for cooking, it's faceted to reflect light like a reinterpretation of a disco ball. In the main dining room, the rich embroidered green leather panels run from the walls to the ceiling. This space is a rich tapestry of Indian textiles woven together by its historic location. The lower floor has a blend of modern and contemporary artworks by Bhupen Khakkar, Krishan Khanna, Akbar Padamsi, Bose Krishnamachari and Pallavi Paul, creating a thoughtful conversation across time. Every movement here is choreographed, not just for the visuals, but how it makes you feel. The transitions here are intentional. This room is a gift to my city. Stitched together by decadent fabrics designed by Peter Dascoli, we put together this room to create a history, a little museum of fabrics. On my left and right, there are chamba rumals, and behind me you see a contemporary work with beaded panels by Avinash V. Raghavan. Even the tables here are my little idea of a stitch detail in mother of pearl on wood. The diamond-shaped architecture of the ceiling is inspired by the stars. The light shifts in color and form through the evening, evoking a midnight sky. When I first came into the space, I was very inspired by the pitched roof, but I realized that it's not a double-height space, it's really low, and I had to use the angles very productively. And that's when I thought of the idea of the octagon, which is a very important part of Art Deco language. The octagon flows from the shape of the bar, to the flooring, to the windows, to the artwork, and even to the mirror, almost in symphony. The octagon mirror with the black tassel is a classic for me. I've seen it growing up all my life, and I wanted to bring a little bit of that into the bar. Through the octagonal windows in the bar, you see special commission artworks reflecting both the masculine and feminine sides, inspired by 1920s Art Deco murals. I imagine this space as a midnight safari, hand embroidered by master craftsmen using incredible Indian embroidery techniques in copper, gold and beige. We put together a landscape of a Chawai safari. The animals, the birds, even the stars and the moons. These animals, these textures, they're playful, a little strange, like memories you can't quite place. And that for me is Paradox. Paradox is not just a space, it's a memory, layered and built. It's where Deco dreams meet Indian craft.